Today, the number of permanent workers is coming down drastically. Many of you are working in different factories. You know on yourselves how many permanent workers are there and how many contract workers are there. The number of contract workers, the number of outsourced workers is increasing. The employers are outsourcing the jobs on the same premises. Workers are doing the same job, but some are outsourced workers, very few are permanent workers. And the outsourced workers or the apprentices or the contract workers, or they are giving different names, fixed term workers, etc., etc. They are getting only a fraction of the wages of the permanent workers. They don't have any job security. They don't have any social security. They are not covered by any insurance. They are subjected to severe, many accidents. Many people are dying. That is the condition of the workers today. And also the unorganized sector workers. Today, more than 94% of our workforce is in the unorganized sector. What are their conditions? The BJP manifesto says that for the unorganized workers, the Social Security Act will be effectively implemented. They are talking about some old, already existing welfare funds or welfare benefits, etc. But no new benefit has been given by the BJP government under compulsion by the Supreme Court. The government has started a portal and started registering the unorganized sector workers and the migrant workers, but no new benefits are there, no fund is allotted and no fund is spent. So on the one hand, we see the conditions of the unorganized sector was number of unorganized sector workers is increasing, prices are increasing, particularly prices of the daily essential commodities, what the workers use, what the common people use, food, rice, wheat, vegetables, oil, everything at the international level. Even when the oil prices has come down, the government says that because at the international level oil prices are going up, Ukraine war is there, so other things are there, because of that international level oil prices have gone up, because of that prices are increasing. But what is the real situation today? The government is increasing the taxes on that, and because of that, utilizing the higher prices at the international level, the government also is looting the common people.